Hello traders, welcome to my YouTube channel Agile Trading. Now let me show you today's date and time. So today is 9th of September 2020 and time is 9:24 am. Now coming on to our watch list. So today also traders I will be trading in Bank Nifty. So now we are waiting for any opportunity. As you can see here, the Bank Nifty has opened with a gap down, and you can see it has opened with gap down of approx 107 points. So traders, let's see if we get any opportunity. I'll update you. So traders, now I am seeing an opportunity for the sell side. I am placing the order with market price. Okay traders, so our order has been executed. Now let me tell you the logic behind my this trade. So traders, as you can see here, first by drawing the Fibonacci retracement, it is reversing from the it took the retracement, and after retracing from 38%, it is now again coming downwards. So I have placed the order with our target at price this, and our stop loss is here, and our target is this. Our target is some points above the S3, and our stop loss is above the support price, which is a resistance. Okay traders, so this is my trading setup and logic for this trade. So let's see if the price hits our target or not. As you can see here, it is a risk reward ratio of 1.73, and today's loss point is also 119. So if we are getting profit, it will be a huge profit. So let's see what the Bank Nifty is going to do. When it will hit some price, I'll update you. So now I'm pausing the video. So traders, now let me show you time. It's 12:05 p.m. and as you can see here, that price has come down towards our target, but it's taking some time to hit our target. So now I am trailing my stop loss. So traders, I am trailing my stop loss till here. Now I will modify it. So now the order has been modified. Now let me tell you the logic for my trailing stop loss. So as you can see here, I have trailed my stop loss till price here, because if the price now come upwards, we should not have to take any loss. We will be in profit only. So I have trailed the stop loss so that we are free from any kind of loss. If it hits this stop loss, then also we will be in profit, and if it hits our target, then also we will be in the profit. So this is the reason behind my this trailing stop loss. Hope you understand it. Now I pause the video again, and when it will hit our stop loss or target, I'll update you. So traders, let me show you time. So it's 3:07 p.m. and as you can see here, our target was hit, but before that our stop loss was also triggered. So let me show you the price of our stop loss. So it was 22305. Okay traders, so moving this to 22305. 82230. Okay, so this was head traders. Okay, so now let us calculate our today's profit. As you can see here, traders, the trailing stop loss was not required to be here. It was needed to be somewhere upwards, some 2-3 points more, but it's okay. Our target was it, and our trading setup was completely very good. So now let us come on to calculate our target. As you can see here, it was of 55.65 points, 0.65, and our quantities were 25. So our profit, today's profit is 1391 rupees. So traders, this was our today's trading video. Hope you enjoyed and learned something from me. So thanks for watching the video. Have a good day.